let's get started. I'm going to be making 4 buttons today so it can go on this blazer, but I'm actually going to be cutting this blazer into a 2-piece, so a top and a skirt, but that's going to be for next video. So I'm going to need resin hardened and resin. You need these two. Then you're going to need a color, which I'm using. I'm going to be using this color, neon green. And, you know, you just drop it in there. Very simple. I have 4 silicone molds for the button because actually I was just going to do 1 a day. So 4, but then I thought about it. What happened to consistency or the dye isn't the same color? I'm going to have off color buttons. And we do not want that. So I just went ahead and bought 4 silicone molds. And then you have the cups where you're going to measure. And let's not forget your gloves, which I forgot. I'll be back. Don't mind the way I look right now. Usually I'll look a little different some days, but not today, not right now. Because I'm just, you know, one, I had to wake up because my in-laws are coming in not too long from now, so I had to wake up, clean up. So this is my cleanup wear, and yes, so yes, let's not forget that you're gonna need something to stir with it, like a wooden spatula. I actually had a couple of wooden spatulas here, but they're not here. I don't know what happened. I really don't know what happened. So what I'm gonna do is pour the amount, and they gotta be ratio 1:1 ratio. So that means a half. NANI? What that means? But that means equal. So basically, this amount with this amount. So basically, you have to equal each other. So what I do is, since I don't have a measuring cup, I just eye it. So I'm just eye it, and it should be the same amount. This one pours really fast, so you gotta be very careful. Very careful. Just a little bit more. So yeah, that should be it, because it's just above the cup. There you go. There you go. So we have the same amount. I'm gonna say, and just make sure it goes all in there. I hope I made enough for 4. Yeah, there you go. So you're gonna just stir it slowly for 2 minutes. So I don't even know where I'm at right now. So 9:40, we're at 9:45, 9:47. What? 2 minutes from 9:47. So 8, 9. So probably 9:50. Just start slowly. And the reason why you're stirring slowly, I guess, they said for it not to be white or have like a fuzzy whiteness to it. So that's what I'm doing. Well, trying not to do. Steer, 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 steer. So now I'm going to be putting in the drop. That's a lot. I was really excited for this, to be honest. Just because I wanted to make my own buttons, and then also the fact that you could do it neon style. Neon. Whew. So I am gonna get on my knees. So that's one. What was there? Okay, so this is two. Well, this is technically three. And then if my daughter bites me again, me and her are gonna be literally throwing hands in a couple of seconds because she keep biting my tits. And just for y'all sensitive people out there, I'm really not gonna hit my daughter. Like, we're not throwing hands. I just know how people are really sensitive nowadays, so I'm not throwing no hands with my kid. It's just a love language. Aria! See what I mean? She's biting me. She's biting me. Ow! Just want to make sure everything is consistency in the same, you know, fullness. So I'm giving it an eye test. And I don't have good vision, so this is technically not even legit with the eye testing. But I got bad vision. If anybody out there really know me personally, like, I think we have our 4 buttons made. Despite my daughter is so against me right now. So a little trick. I know you guys see the little things over here. I can actually just get rubbing alcohol and just wipe it down. Excuse her hair, because we're going to be doing her hair as soon as I'm done with this. So I am done with the buttons. I'm throwing everything away because, you know, everything is kind of like one-time use. It's disposable. Yes, baby, we need to do your hair. Didn't happen. So the thing with this, it takes 24 hours for it to cure, right? That's what it says. That's what it says. 24 hours to 48 hours. But just to be safe, we are definitely going to do the 48 hours, which is 2 days. And I will be back within 2 days to show you the results, right? And to show you my neon green button so we can make this luscious, baby. This, well, not this, but you know, because this is what the buttons look like right here, but I just wanted a pop of color. I wanted to make something with epoxy anyways, and hey, buttons it is. So I got my 4 neon green buttons ready to rock and roll for the 2 days. So I will be back. Today is Saturday, so Sunday, Monday I'll be back with the rest. So see you then, right? So I have 2 problems right now because one of my kids wanted to sneak in my sewing room and take one out of the silicone mold, and now I have 3. So what I have to do now is make another one and let it dry basically for the 48 hours again, and I can actually get started on my project. Plus, and I'm gonna take it out. Yes, Aria. So all I'm gonna do is just flip it out like this because it is silicone, and we have ourselves a button. So yeah, fun mom chronicles. That's the end of this video, and thank you for watching.